Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some gaming. So I've started off gaming on my YouTube channel, of course. That's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so we are kicking this off on Roblox and we are playing Working at the Pizza Place. Okay, so I'm a supplier and I'm going to the pizza place to get a supply truck. But then, okay, I'm putting up here, there's a delivery person and there seems to be a car. I'm going to take this car and go to the pizza place quicker. So I'm effectively stealing a car. Okay. Oh, I think I found a supply truck. Luckily, didn't get run over in working at the pizza place. That's lucky. But yeah, on our way to the pizza place. Okay, you can see it just ahead. I think that's the dump. Yep, that's the dump. And here we are. So we are here, and you can see a few cars. Okay, now we are out. Okay. And there seems to be a car blocking the door. Right, we'll just jump over this, I reckon. Okay, I'm accidentally inside the car. Yep, okay, we're out. Okay, so we'll walk inside. Okay, that was just a short clip I wanted to show you guys. Me getting run over and previously stealing a car. Anyway, now we're going to move on to playing Natural Disaster Survival. Okay, join us in the next bit of the video. Okay, let's go. Here we are. Okay, we're into natural disaster survival here. And okay, this map is Launchland, I see. Just looking around here. Right, let's get a move on. So we are running towards the rocket spaceship. Yep, the spacecraft. Okay, I'm heading for the building here. I'm gonna try and go to the top, see what happens. Okay, it looks like it's gonna be a sandstorm. Yeah, I think it's a sandstorm. All you have to do is dodge flying objects, but I'm up here, so I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, I'm down. Yep, I've gone down. You can see the spacecraft taking off there. Get a good view of that. You can see the engines igniting. Okay, the sandstorm has arrived. Yep, disaster warning, sandstorm, dodge flying objects. Okay, so we might want to get away from the building if we need to dodge flying objects. Okay. We're going towards the rocket here, I don't know why, but yeah, I just feel like it. Whoa, what's happening here? Right, what's happening here? Running away, okay, run away quickly. Right, okay. Here we have successfully run away, but I don't know what I'm doing near this building. I need to get away from this building now. It's already disassembling. Right, people are dying. Whoa, that was cool dodge there. Oh, right, what's happening? I'm just running in a straight line and I didn't even notice that was the end. I am dead. Okay, so we are back here, of course. In the building, so I'm going to try and get a good look at this. I don't know if I can because the windows seem to be a bit unclear with the sandstorm going on. But I'm just going to take a look. I'm going to try and get upstairs. Going to try and get upstairs. I find it really hard to get upstairs. I don't know. I don't know if you. Yeah, it seems a bit unclear. I don't really think we'll be able to see. I'm not sure. Yeah. Oh, okay. I've just fallen down again. Yep, I've just fallen down again. Anyway, just waiting for the next map to start. Oh, okay. So this is it. Survivors. There are only 3 survivors now. I don't think that usually happens. I'm not sure. But yeah, that just proves that was quite hard. And that was quite a hard map. Anyway, now that we are going to continue. Yeah, we are going to continue. Right, okay. So, now then. Trying to get up the stairs again. Yeah, okay, we're upstairs. Right, Rakish Refinery. I don't really think. Yeah, I didn't go here. I'm not sure. Some maps that like the interesting maps. I like climbing on these maps, especially in natural disasters, and I like tsunamis and like flash floods because that's fun. You have to get to high ground. I enjoy like climbing. It's quite fun for me. But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna get to the top there. I'm stuck on the stairs, but okay. Yeah, we are out now. Yeah, we are out now. Here we are. Okay. So I'm gonna try and climb the stairs, see what happens. Oh, okay. Falling back down again. Yeah, and see, as I was saying, I really struggle to get up these stairs. Again, I don't know, I just need to sort of turn. In the comment section down below, tell me if you have this problem playing natural disaster survival if you play it. Oh, okay, disaster warning, tsunami, get to higher ground. Right, that's great, I can't get to higher ground, can I? Okay. If I die in this, you guys like. So yeah, because I'm obviously gonna die. It's pretty. Oh, bit of hope there. Right. I didn't say anything about disliking this if I survived, so yeah. You just won't like it. Which, okay. Yeah, we are in high ground. I don't know if I'm gonna move. I think I just saw the tsunami there. Not sure what. Yeah, there we are. Oh no, what am I doing? Why am I moving? Okay. Let's get the tsunami. Oh no. Oh, okay. Impact. And, okay, we're dead. Anyway, okay, guys, 2 rounds. That's all I have time for, I'm afraid. So we're doing again. I'm just gonna leave because honestly I can't be able to lose anymore. But yeah, okay, this is the end. I hope you liked. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for more uploads. So obviously, if you want to see more gaming, more fun in gaming, and also increasing drawing ability, then this is the perfect channel for you. So goodbye. I hope to see you later. Bye bye.